What does the passage suggest about parachute jumpers in the 150 years after Garmerin's time? Where do we have this reference? It is the fourth paragraph that refers to the 150 years after Garmerin's jumps. So let's look at the answer choices in this context. Answer choice A. They contributed little to the development of modern parachute. The passage doesn't doubt the contribution of these jumpers. So it cannot be established that they contributed little to the modern parachute. So let's eliminate this answer choice. Answer choice B. They managed to complete only a limited number of successful landings. The passage indicates that these landings had a dark time for bodily injuries. That means these landings were not safe, but it doesn't suggest anything about limited number of successful landings. So this answer choice cannot be established. Let's eliminate this answer choice. Answer choice C. They often hurt themselves in their jumps. Yes, this is what the passage mentions. The passage says that this was a dark time for body parts such as ankles, tibia, fibulae, etc., which indicates that these jumpers hurt themselves during their falls. So this is a good answer choice. Let's keep this on hold. Answer choice D. They did not try to improve the design of the parachute. In the context of this discussion, the passage makes no suggestion regarding the jumpers' effort to improve the design of the parachute. Also, it can be inferred that if the modern parachute is safer and controllable, whereas the parachute in these jumps was not, it can be inferred that these jumpers somehow contributed to the improvement in the design of parachutes. However, the passage makes no direct reference, so this answer choice cannot be established. So let's eliminate it. Answer choice E. They raced to jump from the tallest height. In the context of this discussion, the passage makes no suggestion regarding race to jump from the tallest height. So let's eliminate this answer choice. C is the correct answer.